What's good, everybody? It's Relle and I'm back with another video. So today my hair is once again looking a mess. So I'm going to show you guys a quick way that I do my natural hair. Quick little style tutorial. Next clip. So the things that you're going to need for this style is, of course, Eco Styler gel, this island oil, and it's from Jamaican Mango and Lime, a detangling brush, a rat tail comb, an edge brush, curling jelly by As I Am, a spray bottle, and this is my favorite spray bottle. It's the best one that I've ever had. I got it from Sally's. It was like 10 bucks. And 2 scrunchies. So first things first, take your scrunchie out and start to spritz your hair. My hair is so dry, I need this water. Need the hydration. Now what you're gonna do is take your oil and make sure your scalp is moisturized. Put a little bit in your hand and get your strands. Ooh, that rhymed. You're just gonna rub that all through your hair. Next step, we're going to go ahead and split our hair down the middle. Getting ready for the puffs, girl. Getting ready for the puffs, girl. So after we split our hair in 2 sections, you're just going to tie one up. And I guess I did them as straight as I possibly could by myself. It's the best I can do. So you want to moisturize this side because my hair is dry today, so make sure it's moisturized and the kinks are out. So we are going to damp it a little bit, and the good thing that I like about this water bottle is that it's pretty much a mist, so it's not drenching your hair, which is good for this particular style because you don't want it too wet. Detangle, detangle, detangle. Please make sure your hair is detangled when you are doing this. Especially if your hair has already been in a puff and it's really dry. It's very important to detangle that hair. All right, get your detangling brush and go ahead and put that one into a little plait. Go to the next side. So you're just gonna repeat the steps that you did on the right side and detangle, moisturize, all that good jazz. Then you're gonna go ahead and put that side in a puff, and you're going to move on to the other side. Taking it back. So after you have everything detangled, you have your 2 pieces detangled and everything, what you're going to do is now take your gel and you're going to get your hair as slick as possible. So y'all know what's going on. We about to get this hair slick, baby. Baby, we about to get it slick. Y'all know that Eco Styler don't play. Eco Styler, Eco Styler. Y'all know what I'm saying. Make sure you get the back. And it should smooth that hair right on down. So now you're just gonna go ahead and put this hair in an official puff. Wrap your scrunchie around until it feels comfortable. Don't have it too tight. It's not gonna be comfortable. So you're gonna go ahead and go to the other side, slick that side down. Get the back, get the back, get the back, ayy. Get that back, get that back, get that back, ayy. Make sure you get those edges slick. All right, here goes our 2 puffs. Get it, get it, get it, Get it. Hey. All right, get the edge brush. Y'all know it's about to go down, down, down. Get the edges right. Take them baby hairs out. For me, this part is a must. I have to have my baby hairs. Like, the job just not complete without it. Not in my eyes. Epic fail with no baby hair. Bam! Baby hair's done. All right, now we're going to use the curling jelly. So this is going to pretty much just curl your puffs out and bring your curls out. So let's get started. Right here, I'm just showing y'all the consistency of the jelly. It's pretty much what it is, like a little jelly type feel. So we're gonna take some of that and just put it all over your puffs. It's gonna give your curls a nice little hold too. Not gonna make it crunchy, but it will give your curls a little hold. Make sure your ends are detangled. Go ahead and go to that other side. Just put it all over. Get it, get it, get it. Make sure it's all rubbed in. Make sure those curls is popping, because you know that's what we do. All right, looking good, looking good. Flare those puffs out, make them big, baby. And bam, a cute little puff. Well, two little puffs. I rock rough and stuff with my afro puffs. Hey, 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 hey. Cute, quick. I mean, you can't go wrong with two puffs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video. Peace.